Lightning is a spectacular natural phenomenon that never fails to captivate us. But have you ever wondered why it strikes where it does? It's not just random chance. There's actually some fascinating physics at play. Let's start with a fundamental principle. Conductivity matters. Lightning isn't just looking for any old target, it's searching for the path of least resistance. That means it has a strong preference for materials that conduct electricity well. Think about things like metal structures, bodies of water, or even people. These all make excellent conductors, and lightning is drawn to them like a moth to a flame. But there's more to the story than just conductivity. Have you ever noticed how lightning seems to favor tall, pointy objects? That's not a coincidence. It's due to something called the point effect, also known as the corona effect. Sharp or pointed objects like antennas, treetops, or the spires of tall buildings have a special property. They intensify the electric field in their immediate vicinity. This makes them prime targets for lightning strikes, especially if they're already tall to begin with. Imagine you're looking at the world through lightning's eyes. What you'd see are invisible lines of electric force, stretching between the charged storm clouds and the ground below. These electric field lines aren't evenly distributed. They tend to concentrate around certain features. The strongest electric fields are usually found at the highest points in an area, or around those sharp, pointy objects we just talked about. Lightning, being the efficient natural phenomenon it is, tends to strike where these electric field lines are most concentrated. This is why you'll often see lightning hitting the tops of skyscrapers, radio towers, or lone trees in open fields. It's not that lightning has some vendetta against tall things. It's simply following the path of least resistance. It's guided by the invisible hand of electromagnetic forces. Now, humans have known about this behavior of lightning for centuries, and we figured out how to use it to our advantage. Enter the lightning rod, a brilliant invention credited to Benjamin Franklin. These simple devices are nothing more than sharp metal rods installed on the highest points of buildings. But their simplicity belies their effectiveness. Lightning rods work by using the point effect to their advantage. They create a preferred path for lightning to follow, essentially saying, "Hey, lightning, over here." When a strike occurs, the rod provides a safe conduit for that enormous electrical current, guiding it harmlessly into the ground. It's a perfect example of how understanding the physics of a natural phenomenon can lead to practical solutions for protecting ourselves and our property. Here's a thought that might make you think twice next time you're caught in a thunderstorm. Being the tallest object in an open area is a risky proposition. If you find yourself in an open field or on a hilltop during a lightning storm, you've inadvertently become the easiest path to ground for all that electrical energy swirling around in the clouds. It's not a position you want to be in. This is why safety experts always advise seeking shelter during thunderstorms. If you can't get indoors, the next best thing is to make yourself as small a target as possible. Crouching down low, away from tall objects, reduces your chances of becoming an impromptu lightning rod. It's fascinating to consider how something as seemingly chaotic as lightning actually follows predictable physical principles. Every fork of lightning you see is the result of countless calculations performed by nature in a fraction of a second, determining the optimal path for that electrical discharge. The next time you're watching a lightning storm from the safety of your home, try to spot these principles in action. Notice how strikes tend to favor certain locations: tall buildings, isolated trees, or bodies of water. Each bolt is like a visible manifestation of the invisible electric fields that surround us all the time. Understanding the physics of lightning doesn't just satisfy our curiosity, it has practical applications too. Engineers use this knowledge to design better lightning protection systems for buildings and aircraft. Meteorologists use it to improve their forecasting models. Even outdoor enthusiasts can use this understanding to make safer decisions when planning activities. It's a perfect example of how scientific knowledge can be both intellectually satisfying and practically useful. The more we understand about the natural world, the better equipped we are to navigate it safely and make use of its incredible forces. So the next time someone tells you that lightning strikes are completely random, you can set them straight. There's no magic involved. It's all about conductivity, the point effect, and the behavior of electric fields. Lightning may be wild and unpredictable in many ways, but it's always following the fundamental laws of physics. Remember, nature isn't capricious, it's consistent. The same forces that guide lightning bolts are at work in countless other phenomena around us. By understanding these principles, we gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate dance of energy and matter that makes up our world. Lightning serves as a dramatic reminder of the powerful forces at work in our atmosphere. It's a spectacle that has inspired awe, fear, and curiosity throughout human history. Now, armed with the knowledge of how it behaves, we can appreciate it not just for its beauty, but for the elegant physical principles it demonstrates. So the next time there's a storm brewing, take a moment to marvel at the lightning. Watch how it dances from cloud to cloud, or streaks down to earth. Remember that each bolt is following a carefully calculated path, seeking out conductors, responding to electric fields, and demonstrating the point effect in action. It's not magic, it's physics. It's an understanding that makes the show even more impressive.
Stay curious.